Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you we have an issue. I installed another hard drive on this and I tried to install Linux. So I'm going to click continue and see the problem that I got. So we have this issue, as you can see the title. It's an issue with BitLocker, and this BitLocker, if you're not prepared enough, you can see how it looks like. So I have this issue, and the BitLocker has like 10, it has 5 digits and has like 10 pairs of it. So if you cannot even cram it in your head, but it is already there in your Microsoft account. So I'm going to show you right now. For me, I have this BitLocker. It looks like this here. So this is my BitLocker code that I'm going to use to unlock this computer, and without it I cannot unlock this PC. I will require the files will be encrypted,